Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm thrilled to share an amazing Shopify offer that's exclusive to the link in the description below. This fantastic deal grants you a 3-day free trial, and your first month costs just $1, saving you 90% on your initial month with Shopify. Here's how to grab this offer. Simply click the link below. No promo codes are needed. Everything is automatically applied for you. By clicking the link, you'll be directed to a special Shopify page. Begin by entering your email and clicking Start Free Trial. You might encounter a form next, which you can fill out or skip, depending on your preference. After that, set your region and complete your new account setup. Shopify offers several options, including Basic, Shopify, and Advanced, each suited for different business sizes, but usually more expensive. With this link, your first month is just $1. This offer is a fantastic opportunity to explore Shopify's comprehensive tools and features at a minimal cost. It's perfect for those ready to launch their online store affordably. Don't miss out on this exclusive Shopify deal. Click the link in the description to get started. And if you have any questions about setup or selecting the right plan, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.